Hi everyone and welcome to this video. So I'm so excited to present you this fantastic new tool which I created and I called Verbify TTS. TTS stands for text to speech. So I released it after more than a year of personal use and I personally find it very useful to read research papers automatically from my favorite PDF reader. So I created it since I wasn't satisfied with most of the alternative text to speech for Linux, mainly because of their low quality voices. So to have a decent voice in Linux, you need a Chrome plugin, but that worked only in Chrome, and I could not use it in my PDF reader, for example, or also offline. So it was limiting. Moreover, these other plugins for Chrome, they have other downsides. So one is that they collect all the data about you. And second is that if you want some premium voice, you have to pay extra for the subscription because it's paid service. Whereas with Verbify TTS, you can solve all these pain points. In particular, because first, it works only offline, so locally, so it's privacy preserving. And second, it works on any application. So also when you work offline, not just the web browser, but also PDF readers and so on. Third, it gives you high quality voices based on AI models, which I acknowledge down in this repository. And fourth, it is free and it doesn't require any registration. So if you have similar concerns like those I just mentioned here, I will guide you through how to get Verbify TTS work for you and hopefully solve your problems as well. So beside the video, you can also follow the textual description, which gives you the same information you see on this video. So let's do it together. So step one, you have to check if you have Python installed on your system by opening the terminal and typing Python, for example. Great, we already have it. If you don't have it, just Google how to install Python 3.8 and you will find a perfect guide. So we need version 3.8 or higher. So coming back to step 2, you have to download the files either by clicking the download zip button, which you can find here, or using git clone. So if you are familiar with Git, for example. So in this case, we'll go for the hit button, for the download zip button. Great, now you unzip the file in a folder of your choice. And this folder will be the final destination of your Verbify TTS. So please do not move it anymore after installation, since it might break things up. So pick the right folder now. In our case, we'll move it to the root directory for this user. So right here. And we'll rename it to Verbify TTS. Great. Now, step 3, you open your terminal in the folder with our program, with this folder, the one with the README, and you right-click on it to open the terminal. Step 4, you call the installation script for your system. In this case, it is install Linux. And start. It will take some time. And for Linux, it will ask you to consent and to insert the password for the root user, because we need to install an auto start script so that Verbify TTS will be started automatically at each startup of your laptop. I will pause the video and restart. Here, as I said, you say, yes, I want to install the auto start script and insert the password. Perfect. The last step is manual, is step 5. You have to configure your keyboard shortcut of your window manager, XFCE, for example, in my case. And if you have a different system, just Google how to create global shortcut to executable files in ... the name of your operating system or Linux distributions. So in my case, we open the keyboard shortcut setting of my system, and we copy the read out loud from the command to read out allow the text from the terminal output, which is the first one, command number 1. We click add button in the setting to create a new shortcut. Then we paste your text, removing the new line if you copied it, and we hit OK. And then press the desired key combination, for example, Alt Escape. Great. Now repeat the same for the second command, but with a different key combination. In our case, Alt and line. Great. Now you have just to restart the computer in the step 6 and you're ready to go. So demo time now. I switched to my phone camera because the audio channel of the screen recorder application blocks the TTS, text-to-speech, but most of the time you will not be recording a video while you're reading text out loud on the screen, so no problem for you. By the way, if you're interested in creating audio files from the text, please comment below in the comment or open an issue on GitHub so that we can discuss that option. So start with the demo. We are back from the restart of the system and we are ready to use our brand new Verbify text-to-speech. So let's read the last point in the list, the step number 7, by pressing our key combination Alt-Esc.
If you like Verbifieds, please drop a star at the top right of this page to support the project and thank the developers.
And that's it. It works in any web page of your browser, Chrome or whatever browser you want, without the need of any additional plugin. And moreover, it also works on your favorite PDF reader, as you can see here. So you can open, for example, Ocular and select the summary, and you just hit the same key combination to start, and then you can also stop it with the other key combination, Alt and line. And I will do that because it's quite long.
Neural models of code are successfully tackling various prediction tasks, complementing and sometimes even outperforming traditional program analysts.
And stop here. The speed is configurable via a configuration setting. You can read more about it in the repository. I hope Verbify TTS can help you reading stuff more efficiently as well, so that you can do more stretching while reading your papers or book, for example. So to support me, please like this video. And if you have a GitHub account, I would appreciate a lot if you leave a star in the top right corner. Right here. And if you are not on GitHub yet, it would be great if you can subscribe to leave a star. The registration process is super fast and I would appreciate it a lot, since it will give more visibility to the project and more chances of getting new features there. So, and best, it is entirely free for you. So I wish you a happy and productive day ahead. Bye!